Yeah.
Hi guys, Mark Sugar from Auto Clearing here in Saskatoon, 331 Circle Drive West. Check this out, these are the Buzz colors, 2017 clearance, Ram Sport, Sublime Green, only 300 ones of these were made. Also, the Ignition Orange, this was available in 2015 and again in 2017. We're clearing this one out right now. You get this is the Sport package with the black rims, the black logos, the black hood decals, the Performance Sport hood. Also check this one out. This is the 2018 Hydro Blue Edition. This one is limited to 200 pieces in Canada here. So we did some accessories on this one. We added the fender flares there. We added different rims, a little bit more aggressive tires, the running boards right there, the tonneau cover, everything a person needs. And in 2018 they made a few changes here. You can see the old style rim or grill right there. It looks great, especially with the black logos. For 2018 they changed the grill a little bit, as you can see the difference there. Now also in 2018 they added, let's have a look inside these ones. Is this one open? This one's locked. So well, let's show you the inside on this one. Oh, you have the keys for it? Okay, keyless entry, as long as you're within close proximity. Power seats, and you'll see, notice the blue on the inside here. So in 2018 they changed the stereos to have better resolution, pinch to zoom capabilities. Also you get the Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto, so you don't even need navigation anymore. You plug your phone in and you have Google Maps. No better maps than that. This is the crew cab. Oh, we got some stuff in there. So anyways, we have all types of trucks, all the colors. There's also a yellow Buzz color for 2016, and we have one of those coming in as well. Also check out the Jeep Wranglers. That's called Chief Blue right there. So we have the colors, we have the product, we have new vehicles, we have used vehicles. Come on down, Dodge Durangos, 3-row SUV, Jeep Grand Cherokee. We have a little bit of everything, so it doesn't matter what you're looking for. Car, truck, SUV, vans. We have vans. We have the Dodge Grand Caravan. We have the Chrysler Pacifica. Whatever you're looking for, we have it. Come in, we'll find out your wants and needs, and we'd like to sort it out. We have new options, new used options, lease, financing. We take trades. So come on down. Ask for Mark Sugar, 331 Circle Drive West in Saskatoon. Auto Clearing. We'll see you soon, all right?